Yella, come and spend a busy Saturday with us. So at the crack of dawn, Fetian asked me do I want to come and help him varnish his man cave. Like, bro, if you hate me, just say so. He also cleaned up behind his shed. I did not know he had all this crap behind there. Guys, when I say this man is a hoarder, I'm not even joking. As you can see, he was holding on to the first braaier he ever bought here in Scotland. Guys, the ding is in sy moer geroest, is only wheels left. Toe mens gehoor het, it holds sentimental value. My bra, gooi weg asseblief. I booked us a slot at the recycling centre so we can throw all this crap away. Hier kom 'n stukkie van daai braaier. Daar got your sentimental value, my man. We still have a bit more to do in the shed, but that is next weekend's problem. After the recycling centre, my friend asked me if I could check up on her doggies. Just look at this little cutie pie. After the doggers, I popped into Morrison's for some braai supplies. Een van ons pal het gevra ons die rugby gaan kyk, en toe besluit ons gaan 'n loukie boerie braai doen. So I just grabbed a paar goedjies and then we headed home. Then it was time to rugger and braai. Guys, we all watched the game yesterday and what do you think? To be fair, I missed the second half because I had to go back to the shop for some stuff. And never fear because wherever you are in the world, there will be a Tanny on Facebook updating you on the score. After everyone went home, I just decided to climb into bed, watch my shows because it's been a day. That's all for now, okay, bye.